Hey everyone, this is C Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is Monday, July 6th, 2026. This channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia, so you can start the week with a clear picture of what actually matters. Here are today's 3 stories. Story 1. Bitcoin has clawed back above $63,000, but demand is not confirming. Bitcoin is trading around $63,649, up 0.09%, and Ethereum is at $1,787, up 0.21%. However, US spot Bitcoin ETFs just posted their 8th straight weekly outflow, bleeding about $527 million over 4 days ending July 2nd, per Crypto.news. BlackRock's IBIT alone has now had 11 consecutive down days. My take for Southeast Asia traders in the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia: this bounce happened in thin US holiday liquidity, so treat it as relief, not reversal. The real signal is 3 to 5 straight days of positive ETF flows, plus a daily close above $64,000. Until then, keep leverage small and watch the June CPI print on July 14th. Story 2. The Clarity Act, the U.S. Digital Asset Market Structure Bill, is entering its most important 2-week window. The Senate returns from recess on July 13th, with July 24th as the key deadline before the August recess, per TD Cowen. Bloomberg Intelligence puts the odds of passage this month at 60%, Galaxy Digital at 50%. The House already passed the bill 294 to 134 last year, and the Senate Banking Committee cleared it 15 to 9 in May. The bill would split oversight between the SEC and CFTC and classify Bitcoin as a digital commodity in federal law. My read for Southeast Asia: if this passes, U.S. institutional flows likely accelerate, historically pulling Philippine, Vietnamese, and Indonesian retail volumes higher through global exchange spreads. If it slips past August, the next real window may not open until 2027. Story 3. Blockchain security firm Hexens disclosed a critical vulnerability in the Aptos blockchain. It could theoretically have exposed infrastructure supporting up to $70 billion in digital assets, including stablecoins, cross-chain bridges, and decentralized finance protocols. The bug, called arbitrary struct hijack in the Aptos Move VM, would have allowed an attacker to read and write arbitrary fields on any resource across user wallets. Aptos deployed a private validator patch before public disclosure, and no funds were lost, per Hexens Research and BitGet News. My take for Southeast Asia DeFi users: this is a reminder that Layer 1 security audits are still catching potentially catastrophic bugs in 2026. Filipino, Vietnamese, and Indonesian users bridging USDT or USDC through Aptos-linked protocols should verify that their wallet providers and bridges have applied the patch. Hardware wallets sign any large moves and avoid untested cross-chain routes. Today's 3 stories in 1 line each. 1 Bitcoin above $63,000, but ETF outflows extend to 8 weeks. 2. Clarity Act enters critical 2-week Senate window before August recess. 3. Aptos patches $70 billion cross-chain bug before exploitation. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.